Hello and welcome to my course, iOS Developer Essentials. I'm super glad you decided to join me here, and I'm trying to share with you what I think are the absolute essential points to make you that much better of an iOS developer. And the main focus for this course is TableViews. They're used all the time, everywhere, I'd say in over 95% of the apps, and you're going to have to really know these if you want to be a great iOS developer. So, who am I? I'm Nick Walter. I've been doing iOS development for over 5 years. I've had over 10 apps in the App Store that have gotten hundreds of thousands of downloads. I've been teaching now for the past 3.5 years. I've taught over 60,000 students how to program, and I love Swift. Swift is what actually got me teaching about 3.5 years ago. I've been teaching ever since Swift came out, and because I just think Apple did such a great job with this language. It's so much more approachable than Objective-C. So the fact that you're here learning, you're doing it at the right time. Because when I was learning Objective-C, the previous programming language used for app development, it was just a nightmare. Swift is so much better. So let me go ahead and just give you a very brief course overview. I really want to dive into the content here, but want to make sure you have an idea where we're going. So the first thing that we're going to learn about is TableViews, the basics about how they work, but more importantly, why they're so important. I got this whole little sort of spiel about I think TableViews are something that you absolutely have to know as a developer. Then we're going to move into some intermediate Swift topics. So we're going to learn sort of some stuff about how to work with arrays and whatnot, just some sort of things to add to your Swift tool belt, make you feel a little bit more comfortable. Then we'll take the stuff that we learned and apply it to the emoji dictionary app. So this is a really fun, fully functional app where you can list out a bunch of emojis. And if the user taps on one of those emojis, it will then display that emoji really blown up big and have a definition with it, like saying, hey, this is a race car emoji, blah, 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 all that sort of stuff. So the emoji dictionary is kind of taking the things that we learned from the TableViews and the intermediate Swift and making it into a practical app to say, hey, this is why those things that we just learned are so important, okay? Prerequisites are only that you have a Mac computer and you can download a piece of software called Xcode 9. And don't worry, as soon as you join the course, I'm going to walk you through how you can download Xcode 9 completely for free. The number one point that I want to emphasize here is that you can do this. I have been teaching for about 3.5 years now, and I've seen so many students that were like me when I was first trying to learn how to code. I just felt like I'm smart enough for this, I can't do this, this is way too hard. But you can. I know what it feels like to come from that position, and I'm totally here for you. So I just kind of want to give a little confidence boost that I'm going to be walking you through this as best as I can and that I have faith in you. So with that, let's go ahead and get started now.